I am a small business owner. I have a brand called Wild Seed Botanicals, and we focus all on like holistic beauty derived in African traditions, making, you know, natural products for your hair and body, okay? Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing a little bit of grown folks business, okay? We are essentially adulting, and this is a subject I've been wanting to create content on for a while now. And yeah, I'm not trying to be the only like girl boss in town, okay? I want all of us to thrive. I'm gonna talk all about setting up my e-commerce business, setting up Wild Seed Botanicals, and I hope to go on to do a series that touches on different things, i.e. branding, funding, and you know, a whole host of other things. And I definitely want you guys to be a part of that journey. Let me know what you want to see, what aspects of running a business you're interested on, and I'm happy to create content on that for you. But first and foremost, I just want to say a huge thank you to Fiverr for sponsoring this video. I've been using Fiverr for about 5 years now. And if you don't know what Fiverr is, Fiverr essentially brings the world of freelancers and businesses together. You can find a freelancer to do any type of digital work for you, literally at incredible prices, as well as just an amazing turnaround time. And it is all safe and secure because use Shopify currently. However, at the initial research stage, I did have a look at Shopify. I had a look at Squarespace. I had a look at, I think it's called BigCommerce. I'll put it right here. And then there's one more that I looked at that I will put right here for you guys to check out. And I just weighed out the pros and cons specifically for the type of business that I had, what I required from the platform, the pricing structure, as well as the fees, of course. And these are like things that you want to take into consideration when you pick the platform. For those of you who don't know, I do come from a digital marketing background. So I used to work really closely with freelancers, as well as in-house designers, whether it was like web coding, graphic, all those type of things. I worked directly with a lot of them. And so I have a little bit of knowledge in that sense. So I was able to essentially do what you can see. However, all of these platforms, I think, give you a template. So you pick the template for the web store that you want, and then you go ahead and make it your own. You can actually hire a designer on Fiverr, and the thing that I loved so much is that there are actual kind of Shopify approved designers, so you'll be able to kind of see a broad selection of different people who offer different things that can help you. You can have somebody come in completely like brand new, pick a template for you, set it up, load your images, do your text, do everything that you need in order for you to have a completed product for launch. SEO is not my forte, so I did hire a professional, and within the space of I think like 48 hours was what I picked. It might have been 24, but within 2 days maximum. He literally came in, I added him on the website and on the back end, and he was able to kind of go through and completely make the site SEO worthy. If you are a customer or you follow us on social, then you will know that the logo changed. Our logo changed last year from the one that we initially launched with, which was designed by me, and I love it dearly. But I just felt like it got to a point where I didn't feel that that logo represented the brand, as in where I want to take the brand. It did not have that look that I wanted, and I had like a vision of what I wanted it to be, but it wasn't completely clear, and I knew that I couldn't produce that. It was a lot of back and forth, and it was a collaborative effort to bring you this wonderful design right here that I love so much now. And I feel like it just exudes what I want, which is like Afro luxe. It's luxury, it's black owned. But I did want to round off with my 3 top tips. So number 1, do your research. I cannot even stress this enough. Please, 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 please do your research. You know, there's no point, like I said, signing up to a platform that isn't conducive to your product. So you know what your product is, you just have to find out which platform is best for you. So tip number 2, we've now got our website, it's up and running, you know, our business is doing well, we're making profits, okay? Profits. One day me too, I'll make profit. Anyway, so yeah, I can't stress the importance of SEO and optimizing your website. So not just SEO, but just optimizing your website so that Google finds it easy to like read through or scroll through. And then also it helps your customers to find you using keywords and stuff like that. Please get an expert. I can't stress that enough. If you want a successful e-commerce store, SEO goes hand in hand. SEO is what will help you if you decide to go into digital ads. All of those different things, they all work together. So tip number 3 is actually a tip for you and me. And the tip is to stand out of the crowd. So like I mentioned earlier, a lot of these platforms already come with like template websites that you can, you know, essentially like populate with your information and then put live, which is what I did. If you've had a look at my website. However, I've gotten to the stage where I actually want a brand new website. I'm ready for like a really pretty website, and actually also hire a web builder, an expert to come in and build it and tweak it specifically so that it becomes unique to your brand. And that's what I want for Wild Seed. I want to be able to stand out of the crowd. I just wanted to quickly show you how easy it is to use Fiverr to find a freelancer to complete a task for you. So I'm actually going to go ahead and find a freelance graphic designer to create the thumbnail for this video. So all you have to do is set up an account. It's super easy. I already have one, as you can see, and literally within a couple of clicks I have found somebody to create something for me. This is a very exciting partnership for me, so yeah, in support guys, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Do check out Fiverr once again, and I will catch you in the next grown and sexy video. Alright, bye.